Hello, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. As soon as they watch this video now, as soon as they watch this young man where they swallow fufu now, water. Kai. Oh boy, the thing choke. As this young man, they swallow this fufu the thing choke me. It choke me. Now I can ask the young man, say, you feel swallow this fufu past spanner. If them bring spanner out, bring you out, you feel the fit spanner for food challenge. He say who be spanner. See. Kai. Oh boy. Now the young man tell me say who be spanner. If anybody will pass spanner, if he come, he go defeat him. Say spanner no fit swallow leech and half. So now I can say okay, make this video go viral. Kai. Oh boy.